This video will help you to navigate around the calculator. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate this live. Use the Home key to select an app. Highlight the app you want and choose it with OK. Let's enter a calculation. 2 plus 3. Complete the calculation by pressing the Execute key. Execute means to do this thing. In this case, it's like an equals. You can also use the OK key. Let's enter a different calculation. 2 subtract 5, but this time press OK. OK and the Execute key do the same thing. The Catalog key contains functions, commands and symbols not available on the keys. It's divided into types of functions or commands. Use the Scroll key to scroll down or up the list. Press OK to make your selection. You can use the Page Scroll key on the right to move down or up a whole screen. Highlight your function and press OK to select it. Enter the remaining calculation. I'm going to enter a random number between 0 and 10. Press the Execute key to finish it. If you press the Scroll Up key, you can see previous calculations. Scroll right to enter the calculation from the beginning, perhaps to delete the first number and enter a different one. Press Execute to complete the calculation. Or you can scroll left to enter the calculation from the end, perhaps to change the subtraction to an addition. If you choose an option in error, for example in the catalogue, use the Back key to go back up one level. Pressing back again goes up to the next level, which is usually the app. The Tools key on the right has options specific to each app. For example, in the Table app, if you press the Tools key, it allows you to choose options related to a table of values. So these are the most important ways to move around and choose options on the calculator. So why not explore them?